In this video, I'll show you how you can do the strike-through text in Microsoft Word. Now, first step, what you want to do is you want to open up your Word document, and from in here you want to have some sort of text. Now, I have an example text right here, and what you want to do is you want to select the part. So let's say I only want to do this part. Then once it's selected, up here under Home, you want to find the AB with the strike through. Now if I click on this, you will see there will be a line through this, just like that. And you can also select everything if you want, click on it, just like that. And you can click again to take it off. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. It's super simple and it's super easy. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.